is so cute. What's up, TT, baby? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. But how y'all doing? Okay, we got a winter haul for Shein because I'm in all the time. So let's get it popping. A nice V-cut bodysuit. I love bodysuits, especially ones like this that show all the legs, but we can't turn around from the back. But this does have a really cute open back kind of style with the cross in the back. So you can wear this with like some high shorts, some sweats, whatever you're feeling. But I think it's so cute. I love this color too. I'm really feeling the bodysuits right now. But this one is super high cut, like super high cut. So it comes with these sweat pantalones. I already have an outfit idea for these. Basically, it's really cute if you even like fold it and show like, you know, some of the cut here, or you can raise the roof and bring them up. So I like it, like, honestly, what I'm gonna do, you guys are gonna see the outfit picture on my Instagram. If you are a Team T-Baby, it's T-Baby Love too. I always post all my outfits there for those that love fashion like me. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna do something like sitting with it rolled up high cut, and like sitting with some socks and some ones, because I just have a vision, and when I have a vision, I'm gonna make it happen. But so cute. I love me some joggers. I don't know, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I really don't even know what this looks like right now. But cute guy. Now, loves me a cute little croppy toppy. As you know, I call them, but this one's really soft and it has the buttons here. I actually think it's cute like this with like some unbuttoned top and bottom. And these are not Shein shorts. It's a tongue twister. But I wanted to put them on because it looks cute with this shirt. And then I have these pants that I'll show you. So I did get these pants, but they actually don't fit. So I just wanted to show you that they are too big on the waist, but there's some really cute, like super cute, like seamless leggings with like a two-tone color, but I gotta get a smaller size. Alright, who else loves big, baggy, soft sweaters? Oh my god, you guys, this is like silky, soft, freaking lush. Now, I love oversized stuff like this, like looks oversized with like some biker shorts or leggings with like some shoes or boots, even some heels sometimes look cute. But I had to get this because I'm going back to Cali. Okay, I'm going back to visit the fam, and I'm like, yo, I need some serious sweaters because here in Hawaii, these are non-existent. So I got some really cute new sweaters. Let me show you the other ones. So cute. This is like I stole his hoodie. Who's him? I don't know, but I just stole someone's hoodie. I love this color because usually it makes my eyeballs turn a different color as they change depending on what I wear. If anyone out there knows Chinese or whatever this says, please let me know. Some of you guys knew what Fonse was and you commented on a shirt I was wearing in that, but if you know Chinese, just does it mean happy? Does it mean love? What does it mean? Anyways, super cute hoodie. The back. This one is so freaking comfortable. I wish you guys could feel this material, darling, but can you tell I'm really ready for this cold I'm about to come into on Christmas. Ain't gonna let nobody get me cold. So yeah, I had to get this oversized look because I love the oversized look, and I'm gonna be nice and toasty up in there. So, how cute? 1 to 10. Another hoodie. Then grab these two. I might try and wash them a few times and shrink them because they're really cute, but they're just too big as well. Like the waist is just ginormous, and it has a scrunch booty. So like I really like these, but I can't deal with the big waist. It's like impossible to get things done in the gym with a big waist. I'm just kidding. So yeah, the leggings I really like. I might either just get a different size, or I might just fold them over, or I might just try and shrink them. But anyways, these are some really cute winter looks. And like I said, if you want the actual look on how I pair it in my closet, follow the gram tbabylove2, even though I'm number 1. And you guys will see there. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all soon.